Welcome to our engaging video presentation on unlocking the secrets to natural blood sugar restoration and weight loss. Are you tired of struggling with unstable blood sugar levels? Do you find it challenging to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle? Well, you've come to the right place. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is essential for our overall well-being. Chronic high or low blood sugar levels can lead to various health complications. Additionally, imbalanced blood sugar levels can hinder weight loss efforts. To restore and stabilize blood sugar levels naturally, the key lies in adopting a healthy lifestyle and making conscious dietary choices. Balanced blood sugar is crucial for our body's proper functioning. Fluctuating blood sugar levels can result in fatigue, mood swings, increased hunger, and even serious health conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. To restore and maintain healthy blood sugar levels, incorporating the following strategies into your daily routine can make a significant difference. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help regulate blood sugar levels. These foods provide essential nutrients, fiber, and slow-releasing carbohydrates necessary for stable blood sugar. Physical activity plays a crucial role in blood sugar restoration. Engaging in regular exercise helps burn excess glucose in the bloodstream, enhances insulin sensitivity, and promotes weight loss. Chronic stress can disrupt blood sugar levels. Practicing stress reduction techniques like yoga, meditation, and spending time in nature can help stabilize blood sugar and improve overall well-being. As blood sugar levels stabilize, achieving sustainable weight loss becomes more attainable. Balanced blood sugar promotes a healthy metabolism, reduces cravings, and leads to improved energy levels. Practicing portion control helps manage calorie intake and supports weight loss goals. Understanding portion sizes and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues are crucial for long-term weight management. Mindful eating involves paying attention to the sensations and flavors of the food we consume. This practice helps us make healthier food choices, prevents overeating, and allows us to truly enjoy our meals. In conclusion, unlocking the secrets to natural blood sugar restoration and weight loss involves embracing a balanced diet, regular physical activity, stress reduction techniques, portion control, and mindful eating. By incorporating these strategies into your life, you can achieve optimal blood sugar levels, promote weight loss, and enhance your overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unlock the secrets to natural blood sugar restoration and weight loss. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is key to achieving and maintaining balanced blood sugar levels and sustainable weight loss. Embrace these strategies, and watch your health and well-being thrive.